Bell ringing is an integral part of most institutions. Hammer bells, gong bells, brass bells are traditional bell ringing systems, which is inaccurate, wastes a lot of human efforts and money. The Robotics Innovations introduces Robotic Bell, a machine to take in charge of bell ringing in an innovative way. Automated bell ringing with voice announcement, prayers, national anthem, etc. Applifier public address system for mass calling parents, staffs and students applies our patent-pending technology. Emergency and disaster management facility. Robotic bell ringing bells in hundreds of institutions now. Robotic bell got approval from the Government of Kerala, Department of General Education and Department of Public Instructions. Best suited for schools, colleges, factories, offices, public places, military bases and more.